with another big.
No, that means.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Edward Salon and the cute husband. Hey, my people, you need to see the salon way Oga Destiny opened another salon when he opened for Edward. Abemona congratulate her. Destiny, you be man. You be man, my brother. You be man. You know, wait a man when they do this kind of thing for your wife. Ask if I wanted in that house. If he not get now, his wife they there to support her. You see, that is why it's good. Men not they understand. Support your wife. In case if you broke tomorrow, your wife go there for you. You understand? See now, Destiny Baba, you don't open after you have that the now salon now. Easy my people. Oh. Yo, thank God say side chick not there again. We come they put her asunder. We go they carry and go party where they spray money anyhow. Thank God though, this one and our wifey. Edward, my darling, congratulations to you for this your salon. Congratulations. I am so happy for you for this your. You know, say if I open one for Lagos now, not that one again, my sister. What do you say may God do for you? Will never do for you for this life now. What do you say may God do for you? But you just the shakara, the dance because many people want enter that place where you did, but I can't buy any. What side chick cannot do does not exist. I can't say que no manger. I want lay. You borrow leg to run for them, you know. I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you, my sister. I am so happy for you. Congratulations. Mona join me congratulate Edward abeg. E no easy now. E no easy. Mona join me congratulate am. Mona join me congratulate am now. E no easy, my people abeg. I use God dey beg una. E no easy. You know, easy. I'm so happy for her. I am so happy for her. Hey, what the be like say na only you want God come dey bless these days. Oh, maybe the shakara beg you too fine. What now? We must say better me. The way you dey find every day, me I not can understand. Though I not just understand this woman. This your fine. I don't want that way jealousy want me all of them. Where jealousy want me all of them. Where they come they insult you anyhow for social media. You too fine. Anything you wear now goes there. Now the weave now the hair. I beg the body where God give you in the shakara. The shakara, no such she go fit collect your husband from you. And not allow anybody to carry your husband, go party, make they spray money anywhere, my sister. Not allow anybody to do that nonsense again. You understand? Because in your little one you any. Okay, I broke it back about revediation. I give me a bad one, you know. So my sister, I am so happy for this your salon where you open again, your third salon. I am so happy for you, my sister. I am so happy for you. And God go bless that salon for you. And that your salon, so you go to make big money for inside there. Big money. Una know how we dey do one for this my platform. Please allow me to share the video and congratulate Edward. Congratulate her. Say, pray this prayer. Say, God will do a word, do He go still do your own for you. Now, so it just be. Now, so it just be. There's no two ways about that. God will do our own, He go still do your own. Agbavo, no jealousy. Just pray. Say, God will do our own. May He do another person. Now, so it just be. Now, so this life just be. Oh, my people, not be small thing. I just pray. May God continue to bless her and bless her husband, you know. So my people, I'll put the video on and I'll congratulate her for me. Please, if you be lovers of good thing, please congratulate her because it's not easy. It's not easy, oh. Since when say she take more for their life, and not say how God they move them forward, how God they bless them yafu. And so it be my sister, but maybe the shakara, maybe the dance. God don't do your own for you. And see what Jesus do for you, oh, you're in my body, oh. Cause see what Jesus do for you, oh, you're in my body, oh. Come see what Jesus do for you. Oh, you're in my body. Oh, you're in my body. Oh, Jesus do well. Oh, I am so happy for you, my sister. Congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. Bye.
No, that means as just mute sound better. If you have not subscribed to the family, all you have to do is turn that bell on so you subscribe to the channel. So then subscribe to the channel, all these videos you are subscribed. And or you can get the video on you will get that notification. So today, guys, we are going to give a video with our family. This is from Prince family. Grandpa gives kids a book. Are you ready now? Mr. Grandpa, pop my leg in. What do you want to pop my leg in? I'm going to sit it tonight. I'll set the equal. Pop my leg in.
My song, yeah. Oh, baby, my way, let's sing my fall. I'll beg you, make you not touch my wall. We run things the wrong way.